Hi, I'm Joe Patton. I'm a personal injury lawyer in Topeka, Kansas. We handle auto accident cases, and I want to share with you 3 ways to maximize your auto insurance claim if you're in an auto accident, and give you some ideas on how to deal with insurance adjusters and insurance claims adjusters in your case. You know, you have an accident, I understand what that's like. It wasn't very long ago, I was headed down 29th Street. I'm driving my Jeep, and out from the parking lot comes a car right in front of me. There's snow and ice on the floor, on the ground, and I hit my brakes, slam right into him. The first thing I get a call is from the insurance adjuster the next day or the day after that. And so, what do you need if you have that situation? And first of all, know that you can talk to the insurance adjuster. That's fine. Make sure that you're very clear about your injuries, if there are injuries. If you're going to go see a physician, let them know that. And don't leave out any body parts when you're talking to them about the injury. But most of the time, if you're not injured, you're going to be talking to them about property damage. And property damage is something that you can talk to them about, negotiate with them, and work through it. It's not a one and done kind of a deal. But for you to get the insurance company to move up on their offer on your car, you're going to have to go out and get an estimate. You're entitled to, at least in Kansas, to the cost of repair or the fair market value, whichever is less. And so if the cost of repair is higher than the market value, then they're going to do what they call total your car. But you need something in writing concerning the value of your car. So you take it into a car dealer, you take it into a bank, you have an estimator, someone who deals in that area, and have them give you an estimate in writing. Just going online and getting estimates of the value of the case may not be sufficient, because the insurance company will have their own estimators, and they'll send you a copy of what those estimators say. So point number one, get something on your side to say, no, the banker says it's worth this amount, and I will send you a copy of their report. That helps you, particularly if the amount is higher than what the insurance company is talking about. Secondly, when the insurance company makes you an offer on the value of your case, have them send you their estimate and look at it really close. Because a lot of times they're not comparing the same kind of car to the car you have. A lot of times the options will be different, but particularly look at where they got their values. Are they going to a small town USA to get the property value on your vehicle because it's going to be worth less than in a more urban area? So take a look at those kinds of factors. Also, take a look at when they got the estimate. The value of used cars is going way up at the time of this video, and those things change. So take a look at that and find out by analyzing that, and point out the problems, and then point back to your estimate. So there's a couple things you can do right there. You can negotiate with these people, and they will move up. Another thing you can do, and I would encourage you to do that, is if you've given us your email address, send us an email, pattonandpatton@gmail.com, and ask for our free book on this very thing. This free book is a book we wrote on this issue on auto accident cases in Kansas. And it says Every Person's Guide to Saving Thousands of Dollars. There's a section on auto accidents, personal injury, property damage. We also have a section on medical malpractice and workers' compensation, if you have any interest in that. Take a look at with me real quick on what you get with this book. You get a self-assessment form, so you can assess whether or not you should have a lawyer involved in your case. Chapter 3 is the least you need to know if you want to handle your own claim. Chapter 4 is do-it-yourself property damage auto accident claims. Chapter 5, do-it-yourself auto accident claims, your PIP benefits or your medical benefits, all the details concerning that of what you need. Do-it-yourself auto accident liability claims. And then one of the most important chapters is the most common mistakes that you can make that will cost you thousands. So you let us know, request a free copy. It's free. We'll send it to you. We're doing that because we want to help the public and make sure that to even up the odds as well. And we will also, if you want us to, also send you a copy of our regular newsletter. People just rave about this. Is the best newsletter in the whole world. Not only are there interesting essays, concerning current issues that you might be interested in. My personal favorite is the section with the recipe. This one is chicken pot pies, and you can't, people just get our newsletter just for that, if nothing else. But we will also, if you want, send you our electronic newsletter, which is my son Mike's and myself commentary on current legal events, which gives you a little perspective on things that's going on in the world. So let us hear from you if we can help. I'm Joe Patton with Patton & Patton. We're personal injury lawyers here in Topeka. We've got an office in Lenexa and Wichita, Kansas as well. Good to talk with you.